today's video,
we are gonna crash these into a Jenga wall.
yes, I'm going to play with Balma with his
Jenga
monster truck.
and Jenga,
First, we're gonna make a wall.
so that it can crash.
No need to put some
I need to put
support.
support. I'm not gonna put the barrier.
Don't need to put the barrier. No more red.
I'm gonna use the red.
Use blue.
Yeah, not red. I'll use
Yes.
red.
Balma wants to play with his monster truck, and what he wants to do is to
Crash.
build a wall and then crash it by the monster
It's
truck.
my favorite game.
Crashing?
Yeah.
Brutal game, crashing the wall by the monster truck.
I'm not going to put the support barrier in the. because
Let us see which wall will be stronger.
Where's mine?
I want to witness the impact of devastating crash.
Is it Balma's wall, Balma tourist wall, or
Tower of Giza? I mean, Pyramid of Giza.
No, we're not
look?
gonna.
Now that is what they are doing.
Of course, it's.
Dad is building the
Of course, my wall is-
super strong wall.
No, this is a weak wall.
Mine is stronger.
Compared to Balma tourist wall,
Mine is so flat.
I think Balma tourist wall is so
Strong.
thick.
And strong.
But you cannot control the. Now, you need more of this. I'm gonna make this for
Yeah, I need the long.
the support here at the back.
It's not the start.
Not even crush.
Not even crashing, but
Start the
Not
wall.
even started yet.
It crushed by itself.
No, you crashed it.
now we know which wall is
How we
strong.
did it.
And Daddy is using those very
Color.
thin. What's that?
You don't
I
need-
can use this.
Jenga?
I'm using
blocks.
Okay,
Use different colors. Use
Okay.
like the darker colors, like the end of the rainbow colors.
This will make.
Use the
This will
colors.
make my.
So Balma is using all the...
Use the colors that
Jenga.
come at the end of the rainbow.
What color is that, Balma? I don't know.
Pale.
Pale? Is that a color? And then Daddy is using the different color but the thin one. There's also like blocks here which are colored but it's a little
Not
thick.
using the thin one. That's the one Daddy's using. This one's the thin one.
Yeah, Daddy's using the thin, right?
Wait,
Let's see how we did it.
wait, you just wait.
I
And
just,
I will put more barriers
I can
here.
just touch. I can just touch it once and then it will fall.
Yeah, I will put more barriers here to make it more stronger and to
Like
make
you said, you wanted to be weak.
to make
It more weak.
to make it more difficult to
Woo!
penetrate.
Even there's
You
a...
can see that.
Balma, even there's a barrier
To penetrate.
in the front. Do you think
Nothing
it will
will
be
happen.
strong?
This is
What
wall.
happened?
This is a Trojan
You don't
wall.
even have protection in the back. You don't have support.
Yeah, this is the support this barrier.
The support is not the barrier. The support should be at the back to hold the entire thing.
Yeah, this one here, entire here.
And your support has to have a support because your thing is tall.
Yeah, this is entire tall.
That's why I'm making it short.
No, this one will not be entire short.
What?
It will-
But I think, Balma, your wall will be not high.
because
Yeah, it's okay.
I want the
Because I want my support to not
so
fail.
this green lap we're gonna make this more stronger. Yeah, mommy, you get that?
I don't think so.
Yes, it is.
Let us see later.
It's not
Let's
gonna
see the
work.
test.
Because I'm not believing.
This mommy is believing.
Do I?
It's gonna work.
Balma, do I?
No, I don't think so.
And this blue, mommy, on the top of it,
I'm
No.
gonna.
the yellow. I'm gonna put the yellows to distract
Okay,
the visibility.
I'm gonna wait until you're done.
Yeah.
Because
Are you done?
I need your red. Took all the
Are you
red.
done? This yellow
All
will
red.
distract. I put the yellow on the top so it will distract the visibility of.
Oh, why are you using? You will use that one?
Protect mine when daddy's gets hit.
Ah, okay.
Wait, so how am I supposed to move this?
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Then move these things here, and we can start to crash.
That is done with his wall?
I'm not done
I'm
because
done.
daddy
But
used
Balma's
all-
still not done.
Daddy's not. I'm not done because daddy used all the red block. Daddy will crush this monster truck into his wall, which is definitely gonna fall with just one finger.
We'll start to crash the wall.
It can go right.
3, 2,
It's gonna go
1.
right. I told you it's gonna go right.
One more. And crash.
That's so weak. That wall is so weak.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Devastating.
get one.
The wall broke even though the monster truck did not touch it.
It's
the
weak wall.
The wall broke without the monster truck even touching it. Monster
So are you gonna build your wall now?
I think that the wall is so strong that even two monster truck cannot.
Yeah, it cannot penetrate on it. Even a huge impact cannot penetrate on this wall.
I'm putting that extra line so that I can connect it to the other wall.
You need that.
Look how thick it is.
Ticketing.
Thick it. Thick it. This is.
Thick
Look
it
how
is.
thick it is.
Okay guys, while Balma is building his wall
Majestic
defense, I will introduce you the superpower monster truck with independable suspension spring gear with dual turbo engine front and rear wheels and with a strong bumper on the front that can smash the wall even it can penetrate this kind of wall
No,
that Balmaturi is building
Yours, but it can penetrate yours easily.
because
It's
it
weak on
has
the side.
it has a very strong and dual engine, as you can see when I am what is that,
Rewind.
feeling the power reverse spring engine. I will show you how strong it is and powerful. Now you can see guys the velocity of this 4x4 wheels that can easily penetrate on that
No,
wall.
not this wall. Can easily penetrate on your wall.
As you can see guys, Balmaturi use yellow and red, so it will confuse the visibility of the driver of this.
It looks like hot dog.
Yeah, like a mustard, yellow mustard and red hot dog. You can see guys, Balmaturi until now is building his
Super stable.
super
And
stable wall
definitely not gonna fall with one finger.
after a long 20 years.
Not 20 years, but 20 minutes.
And this guys keep on waiting and so excited. As you can see, when I am feeling the engine, see the power of wheels. Oop! And now guys, this is the wall that made by Balma.
It's called Titan 2.0.
Yeah, then we can see how strong it is. It composed of so much thick layers of bricks.
This is gonna crack this wall. Miss! So close. Here, angle.
Oh, still,
This is so strong.
still it can penetrate.
It cannot penetrate anymore.
Oh. As you can see, the strong engine that can penetrate into the wall. Balma Turicles. Wow. It can even,
Fly.
the debris can even fly on our camera.
I'm unbelievable because this turns red all the time. So devastating.
But I can see that the wall is strong because how it's attached.
It's still holding up,
Yeah.
kind of. Look at this.
But
This
that
is the
is,
main part. It's still there.
yeah, but that is wall, first, second attempt. Nothing.
Miss.
It's the strong wall.
I gave it 4. Okay, what if I do this? Straight. Remove that part. It's jumping to remove the debris.
And thank you for watching our video.
Please watch the next video. This is what happened to our wall, by the way.
Bye guys.